welcome to our channel. My name is Theresa and this is my husband Cam, and we are so excited because we've been waiting for Dominique Ansel special delivery from his Soho, New York City bakery, his Cronut. If you've never heard of the Cronut before, it is filled, you'll be able to see on your screen, I'm doing a close-up vision of it. This particular flavor is only available in November. It is chock full, or it says it's chock full of pumpkin pie spice and brown sugar.
I could smell it.
So good. And so a Cronut is a cross between a croissant and a donut.
Yeah, but it's not just a croissant donut.
Right.
This is a layered, lacquered pastry.
They do 4 different levels. They proof the dough, they fry it, then they bake it, and then they add this ganache layer on top. And we're gonna test this out right now for you guys. Oh, that looks good.
Well, I like that there's pumpkin in there. Cream.
It's literally like a croissant where you can just like peel back the flaky layers of sweetness.
Can you see those layers with the cream? So this is, he invented this, right? 2013. Inventor of the Cronut. Often imitated, not the same.
And so good. We actually went to Soho a couple years ago. There was a line down the block and we didn't even realize it. We just kind of like, they let us, what happened?
There were 2 lines. Everybody walked to the line on the right. The line on the left had 4 people. And the guy turned to me and said, "Hey, stand behind me. What are you going over there for?" So I said, "You know what? This is a smart guy." So we got in the back of the line. And yeah, pay dirt. That was good.
It was so good. So at the bakery, he not only has one located in Soho, he just opened this past October 11th in Las Vegas. So, and he actually does have some international bakeries too. And he started out that very first bakery with just 4 people working there in Soho.
Yeah, yep. And what? World's best pastry chef in 2017. I can see why.
Oh yeah. So do you remember, if you go to the shop, you can get a frozen s'mores. So he's been receiving awards for that one. And then the blossoming marshmallow. So you put it in on top of a hot chocolate and it opens up like a flower.
Yeah, just very, very inventive stuff. I mean, unbelievable what you could do with a little bit of dough and some sugar, right? We are going to be doing another one of his products this Thursday on Buzz with Your Cuz. Oh, we're gonna do cookie shots. He invented those too.
It's like shaped like a shot glass, and we're gonna be putting some liquors.
Yeah,
inside,
something. We're gonna
right?
put something in there. I think it's also important to note that flavors change monthly. So call ahead. You have until what? The end of
November.
Let's just say Thanksgiving, right, to get the pumpkin flavor, and then it's whatever they want to do next. So we've seen some really great ones, right? I think there was like a blueberry honey or something that was just, you know, these are not what you're going to see at, you know, some other shop that has a croissant donut. This is completely different. And if you're in the New York City general area, it is worth the stop down on Spring Street for sure. That's where you're going to get the full lineup, and it's going to be as fresh can get, because the demand is so heavy. So basically, as they're making it, people are buying and walking and consuming. And that's the way we like to do it, but thankfully now there's enough shipping options where you can get these things in your own home without having to fight traffic and pay all the tolls and deal with all the other travel things just to get something that you normally couldn't get, you know, near you.
That's true. And just so you know, they never repeat a flavor. Since 2013, every single month, new flavor. So this is not going to be available ever again. So it makes you want to buy it every single month.
Yeah, so specifically what we're talking about is pumpkin pie and brown sugar. Nailed it. I mean, this may even go good with bourbon. You know, pumpkin pie ganache and brown sugar ganache. Fried dough. I mean, how could you go wrong, right? I mean, it's a home run all day. We make some pretty good stuff on the channel, but you know, we're still buying some better stuff than we're putting out. You know, maybe we'll try to do something like this. It's not going to be as good, but you got to start somewhere.
Well, thank you for tuning in. Be sure to check out Dominique Ansel. We're going to be popping it up on the screen right now. Let us know if you've ever heard of the Cronut. Have you had it in your local bakery, or have you had the real deal at his bakery yourself? We hope you join us next week and this Thursday at Buzz with Your Cuz.
When we do cookie shots.
Yes. Thanks, guys.
All right, I gotta go finish this. I don't want this all over the camera.